1, 2, 3, whee! 1, 2, 3, whee! 1, 2, 3, whee!
Again, Arnold.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, whee! What is it, Arnold? What's the... Oh, I see. Yes, it's a lovely boat, Arnold. Careful. There you are.
Does he want to go for a ride?
He's too small. You can't, Arnold. You won't be able to reach the pedals.
Never mind, Arnold. I've got an idea. Come on. I'll race you back to Tiger. You start us, Pig.
Ready, steady, go!
You won, Arnold. Come on, Tiger. We've got work to do.
Have we? What kind of work?
We're going to build a boat.
How are we going to do that?
You know, a sand boat for Arnold to have a ride in.
Oh, one of those. Right. How many's it for, then?
Just us four. Here'll do.
Here goes.
You build up this bit, Arnold, like this.
Hello. What are you doing?
There's a spade over there.
What are we making? A motorboat for Arnold.
Seats next. We'll need your bucket and spade, Arnold. And some shells. It's brilliant. Right. All aboard. You drive, Arnold. Start the engine, Arnold. Press this button. Right, Arnold. Off we go. Push that forward. Faster, Arnold. Hey, Arnold!
Oh, no. He wants to go to that pedal boat again. All right, Arnold. You can look at it, but you can't have a ride, OK? Shall we go rock pooling?
Yeah. What have you got?
Seaweed.
Look, Tiger, a starfish. Got it. Great, isn't it?
Yes! A prawn.
Let's see.
They like seaweed. What have you got? I've got 2 prawns and a fish.
I've got...
Ooh. The tide's coming in. We're trapped. We're going to be washed away.
No, we're not, Tiger. The tide won't come up this high. We'll be all right. Wow, you can see for miles up here. Hey, there's Arnold. Arnold! Arnold! Arnold!
Arnold! Arnold!
Oh.
Now we'll have to stay here all night. We'll get cold, we'll get wet, we've got nothing to do, we've got nothing to eat, we haven't got anything to drink either. It's going to be really, really boring. It'll probably pour with rain, we'll get soaked to the skin and we'll both catch cold.
Look, Tiger! Over there! Look! It's Pig and Arnold! Hooray! He did see us!
Hooray! Hooray! Over here! Over here!
Shall we put them back now, Arnold? Now the starfish. You got your boat trip then?